So when you're finished with the skinning and the skin's dry, you still need to tune it, and with that we need the clam cleat. I'm going to show you how to pull it down with the clam cleat now. There's going to be another video where I'm not using the clam cleat, so if you haven't got a clam cleat, there's another way of doing it. But I'm going to continue with the clam cleat for now. Keep watching.
So need this bit to catch up with the rest of it. It's not as far down as everything else, so we start right here. Do my hand at first to get a bit of slack off. And then clam cleat action on the bench press. And then a bit. Do some more grips at this point, but I'll do it the African way really. Just grip it with a finger there. Oh, it's absolutely brilliant. Pretty much all drum repairers are using this clam cleat now. If you're not, you should be.
I'm going to put a link to where it's available in the description below.
But unbelievable, you know, the difference this clam cleat makes to the old school way. Save your back muscles. You'll see why in a minute when I show you the video. Coming up, we'll have to go around all the way down. It's not a brilliant drum, this is only a tourist drum, but I've done my best on it. Okay, back to the beginning. This is where the... pretty tight that, I'm going to bother.
Bungees come off. Just going to show you the knots that we put in it. So you can see I've got a little thing in it there. So we take 2 strings. So you've got over 2. Back under 1, pull it down and pull the slack off, and then back under 2. So you've got that kind of S shape.
Rewind. And just pull it all through, pull all the slack out. There. Not a great deal of tuning up on this, but not going to go time with this, but just a tourist.
So I'm not sure that I showed you the complete setup of the bench press with the clam cleat. So yeah, down there we've got a hinged plank of wood. It's just fixed in with a vice grip on a bench. On this side we've got a bungee that goes up to this post. It just brings the thing back up. Yeah. And on this side we've got the clam cleat. These are here because you're pulling against the drum like this. I've got this as well, so if it comes like this, it's not going to slip away. So drum number 2 of the day. I'm going to pull it by hand for a little bit so I can get a bit of room to put the clam cleat in. Start pulling it. I would normally have a pair of mole grips with me to clip it. Over 2, under 1, back under 2. Clankly action.
Over 2, under 1. Back under 2.
Still get blisters, but without this, you'd be bleeding.
There would be blood and back aching. Doesn't go away easily. Over 2, under 1, back under 2. There is the Guinean way of doing this, which is really complicated. And once you've been around once, just trying to fathom out which ones you're going through. It's just a pig. So, I think this is called the Mali weave. I'm not sure. It could be the Gambia weave. It's West African. Over 2, under 1. Back under 2.
I'm going to give it a knock in a minute to try and bring these rings down. The rings are so tight next to the wood, they don't actually move without a knock, which I'll show you what a knock is. Okay. That is a knock. If you want a drum fixing, send it to Treedrum. All the links are in the description below,